making this gorgeous, gorgeous plate here. The main course here, our mini lamb chops, like the small lamb chops. Oh, you're gonna like this one. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends and family. Here they are, lamb chops, the small ones, the small cuts like that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful lamb chops here. And these are the seasonings that we're gonna use today. So we're gonna start with salt and pepper. So yeah, I'm gonna put just salt and pepper all over them, just like this. I'm gonna put salt and pepper over them, and then I like this teriyaki marinade because it takes a little bit of that flavor that the lamb chops have that some people don't like. That teriyaki marinade will neutralize that, and then any seasoning of your preference on top of those two. And we're gonna do the same thing on both sides. So I'm gonna flip this over. I'm gonna flip them over, and I'm gonna do the same seasonings on the other side as well. A little bit of the salt and pepper all over it. This is a 50-50 salt and pepper mix. Salt and pepper. I'm gonna add some teriyaki marinade here. Teriyaki marinade and a seasoning of your liking. So you'll do the same thing on both sides. And then once you season them, I like to massage them a little bit. So you massage your lamb chops here a little bit, and that's it. In the little saucepan, I'm gonna put some salt and olive oil, and I'm gonna put about a cup of any pasta that you like. I'm using penne pasta here, but any pasta that you like. Cover it with water, and we're gonna boil this. This is gonna be the side to our lamb chops. I'm gonna boil this pasta. So once it's boiling, about 8 to 10 minutes, I'm gonna cut some cilantro here. You can use parsley also. This is for the sauce. So once it's boiling over 8-10 minutes, we turn off the fire, and we're gonna drain them. And we're gonna put some. I'm using here Alfredo sauce, Parmesan Reggiano, Parmigiano Romano powdered cheese, and then smoked paprika. This is gonna be for the sauce. I'm gonna add that cilantro that I just chopped in small pieces, and I'm gonna mix this together. This is gonna be our pasta. Look at how beautiful that starts to look when you mix the red smoked paprika with the Alfredo sauce and that Parmigiano Romano cheese. Look at how beautiful that looks. And this is gonna be the side dish, so we're gonna put this aside. And we're gonna grill our lamb chops. I'm using a George Foreman grill here, and I'm gonna put it in medium. The temperature is gonna be medium here. If you don't have control, that's fine. Just use any temperature that the grill has. So in medium here, I'm gonna grill my lamb chops for about 20 to 25 minutes. So I'm gonna cover these, let it be for 20 to 25 minutes, and they're ready. I'm gonna serve this with a little bit of salad here, any salad that you like, and the pasta that we just made with some shredded cheese on top, cheddar shredded cheese on top. And then I'm gonna put the lamb chops here right off the grill. Look at how beautiful those lamb chops look there. And there you have it, lamb chops with a little pasta and salad. Real simple, real healthy, and I bet you're gonna love it. You're gonna enjoy it. This is a great plate. So remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends and family.